bear witness to the barrier of clutter around my bench. Well, I still try to find a bunch of like cheap bins to toss shit in. But it's time for a slightly, I guess, Big Clive-esque video. Because I saw this for 20 bucks. And I figured, what the hell? Why not take a look at it? This, oh, it's way too big. Shit. This is a DMX, or just audio controlled, light effect thingy. What the hell is it? It's the Spin Master 2. What company is it again? Mojo. So yeah, this, let me just add some light again. Oh, this mic stand is actually working pretty good instead of being wobbly. So yeah, this one doesn't 100% work. It's actually pretty good. They had another one for the same price that was basically clean. That one is the, I can't recall what it was called. But it had like a flat mirror that has angles, like it's sort of curved like that. So it would do like a sweeping beam. This one has gobos and spins and everything. And I thought it'd be fun. I mean, it's no fun if it's already clean and everything. So why not do a video where I need to fix it and clean it up? And the only thing that needs to be fixed on this is that the socket fell off. So I'm going to find an actual proper socket. This is just going to be a really quick video. But in the meantime, and I did test it with alligator clips. This thing actually works, so I did cheat and do it off camera. I have a donor alligator clip wire that half melted. So I'm just going to see if I can actually solder to these wires or not. If you're looking for like an Android app that does recording and also takes external audio sources, like my mic pack that I modified, which you can see in another video, I think on this channel, so that I actually have a mic thing that's right below my neck and everything. Open Camera is a really good one. So, yeah, let's just see. I don't know if you can solder to this stuff or not. I've seen stuff that you can, where it's got this coating on it, or this protective stuff. And I've seen ones that you can't solder to. This is just until I can get a good socket, so everything is closed, and it might be a little while. So that stuff definitely has some heat exposure to it. And I also don't know if solder is going to hold up. So I just straightened it out and, right, I can't see the camera. Straightened it out with these, and that seemed to work pretty good. Oh, and all that soldering work was off camera. Perfect, just how I like it. Here's that one clipped on. Alright, so got some pliers. And I'll just squeeze the shit out of that. I think that is pretty much what we can call good. So I'm going to move the camera angle so we can watch it power up. Alright, so I did have a roll of Kapton tape around here, like just yesterday, and now it's totally missing for some reason. So we'll just watch it power on, and I just made sure those aren't touching, because they're a little close together. So it'll do a little Self-test. Let's maybe capture the gobo wheels going. Okay, so it's set to a sound response mode. So it needs like musical input. But I'll just tap the microphone because that works just as well, and we can kind of see it going. So it needs to be cleaned up. I did wash the mirrors a little bit. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Once I do some more work on it, I'll like make a video cleaning it up and shit like that. Maybe taking it apart a bit to clean the lenses, and then then we will have a video with like maybe some fog machine or something like that. So hopefully you enjoyed this little quick thing. I guess if you need to like patch your, oh my god, if you need to patch your lighting effects on the go, you can just go ahead and use some alligator clips.